Today, I look forward to sharing with you about these open earbuds by a company called SoundPEATS. If you're not familiar who SoundPEATS are, they've been around for a while. I reviewed one of their Bluetooth speakers many years ago, still have it, and they definitely provide a quality product with technology in these, and I look forward to sharing with you about it for an affordable price, right around $40 plus a promotion. So very, very cool. And if you want to check them out, I'll be sure to share my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section, see what other people have to say about it. And if you use it, helps the channel, greatly appreciate it. So I'll put that information there. And it's got 4.5 out of 5 stars. And so I'm really impressed with the technology, and I've reviewed a similar type of earbuds by other companies that make affordable earbuds as well. These though have certain technology that the other ones don't have, and so I think these are my new go-to ones, and I look forward to sharing with you about the quality and also how they sound for music. And I'll share a couple of call examples because they even have technology where it helps to work in the wind as well. And sometimes when you wear earbuds and it's windy out, people have trouble hearing you. So I'm gonna do an example call that I did using my fans to try and hopefully give you an idea how it holds up that way as well. But this is the case it comes in, and you can put these open earbuds on either side. These are, by the way, they're called the Pop Clip wireless open earbuds, but you could put them on either side of the case. Then you also have the Type-C charging cable. You've got a user guide there. It's quite long to say the least, but everything is there. And hopefully my video will be of help to you. And of course, when you check my referral link, there will be some other information as well. Comes with stickers, and this is the box that it comes in. Now, the advantage of having these open earbuds is allows you to, one, hear your surroundings, but two, allows you to also hear your favorite music, podcasts, audio books, whatever it is, and also making calls. They're lightweight and they're perfect. They just slip right over your ear, and this doesn't go into your ear canal, so it's also helps again so you can hear your surroundings. These fit a little bit tighter on the ear, so at first they were annoying me a little bit, but you get used to it, and at least they stay on your ears. So if you've got sensitive ears, you just might feel they're a little bit tight. They feel like a quality product. They say they're made of high resilience TPU, A-grade memory steel, nickel, titanium alloy memory wire. So that's what they say as far as the quality. They feel like a quality earbud. And one of the things that I do like about these is that these actually have a physical little button right there on the top. It's really kind of hard to see, but there is a actual button that you can press, and then there's different options that you can do and you can program, and I'll show you. They also have an app, which is really cool, so you can do different things with that button. Some have these sensors that you got to press, and it's not as reliable with having that button that you press. Much more effective. Now, as far as battery life, these do have up to 8 hours of battery life on the earbuds, with a total battery life around 30 hours, and that is with the case. And it does mention if you're in a hurry, you can get a quick 15-minute charge, gives you an extra 3 hours of listening with the open earbuds. So that's a good thing. So quick charge and you are good to go. You got the charging port here with the case. Now, when you do have them in the case, you'll see it will have a light, so it looks like I probably need to charge it. But as soon as you open up the case, you can hear power on. Now, when you get them to connect them via Bluetooth, what you're going to do is it'll have a little sticker that it protects the sensor for where it charges. You pull those off, and then when you pull them out of the case, it goes into Bluetooth pairing mode. You go to your Bluetooth connection on your device, you look for it, you add it, and you're good to go, and it connects. Now, the other thing too is you could see here, it does show on my phone, gives you battery indicator of how much battery life's remaining. So that's also very helpful. And then in the app, it will even tell you the battery life on the case as well. Now, as far as Bluetooth, it does have Bluetooth 4.5, and I find the connection works well. I'm testing, watching YouTube videos and other videos. It seems like everything syncs well. I live in about a 1,200 square foot apartment, so if I go from one end to the other, I didn't have any issues with disconnection issues. So for myself, so far, so good. As far as waterproof, they are IPX5 rated, so they can get damp, but it's not something you want to submerge, and they're not waterproof. So they can handle sweat and light wetness, but as far as anything more than that, they're not fit for that. You know, one of the interesting things too is I see a lot of people that go into saunas wearing headphones and earbuds. Be very careful with that because it can get very hot and you just don't want to take a chance of these exploding your ear and causing damage to yourself. So my suggestion is probably don't wear earbuds, and I would do research before you do. So just friendly piece of advice for today. Now, as far as music, these do sound very good. It has bass to it, which I like, and they don't get too loud, but don't get too soft. Again, these are open earbuds, so you're going to want to also hear your surroundings, and they're not going to give you, as far as the volume of how loud they're going to be, compared to putting headphones on your ears or earbuds in your ear canal. So I think for an open earbud, they do put out the sound and do a very good job at that. And you could see, by the way, the little dots in there, those where the sound is coming from. So there you go. You could see it's got a nice little flex to it. Now, as far as the call quality, I'm going to share with you two examples here. The first example is I went hiking. There were some cars in the background, and so you can hear my voice and see the surroundings. And the second one is I was here in my office just a little bit ago, and I put two fans on because I was reading some of the technology about wind, and I wanted to just get an idea how well it would be where I was directly facing the fans. So you'll be able to hear that as well. It's got a single speaker. So let me go ahead and play that, and I will be back to share with you the app.
Okay, so I am leaving myself a voicemail. So the audio you're hearing is me leaving that voicemail and what the microphone sounds like. And the video obviously is my surroundings. I'm out here hiking. Got a road over here, so that will give you an idea of cars going by. See how much that picks up. And so if you're curious what the call quality is like for these open type of earbuds, they just clip right in your ear. They're nice and light and allows you to hear the surroundings while listening to music or audio, whatever you listen to, and making phone calls. So again, this is what it's like with the audio sounding when leaving a voicemail, or what somebody might hear when having a conversation and what the voice sounds like.
Okay, so I am doing a test that these are supposed to work well, even when making a call with wind. Now, I've got two fans here that are blowing right on me. I've got it on high speeds on both, and this will give you an idea how well it's blocking the sound out as I turn my ears, and you can see how that works. So again, I wanted to see how this works with knowing that wind is blowing, because that's one of the challenges with earbuds and headphones is when you're outside on a windy day, it often becomes a problem when the other person's trying to hear you. So this will give you an idea here on this test.
So there you go. I have to say I am impressed with the call quality. I think the sound does seem to work well. I have not had a chance to test it in a loud surrounding, but I think for call quality for business and pleasure, I think it will work well. Let me know your thoughts. How do those calls sound to you? All right, so let's go ahead and dive into the app. So you're gonna go to the App Store, whether it's Apple or Android, and when you go there, you'll download it and you'll see SoundPEATS pop clip. And again, you'll be able to connect quickly and easily to your Bluetooth. And so mine is already connected. You're just going to click on add device. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it and we'll just dive in. I'll show you some of the things that you can do. All right, so now we're in it. So you could see the battery indicator for both earbuds as well as the case. You've got these 3 lines on top where you can also do a firmware upgrade if you need to. So that's kind of cool. So as they advance the technology, so it's got a number of functions there. You also have the find the earbuds, and so you can do a test. How about that? That's kind of cool. It gives you an indicator, although it's not in English, and maybe that's something that you can adjust and change. I'm not sure, but that is kind of neat that it has that. It's got a drainage function, and also it says switch headphone prompt tone. So when you turn them on, it says connected. It has that as well. Then you do have game mode, you have movie mode, and so it says game mode, or if you press onto movie mode, it's how that sound is. You've got custom key, so you can adjust what you want those earbuds to do, volume up, volume down, and that's with that little button that I was showing you. So it's also nice that it has that. And again, you can adjust that for the right and left ear. You also have a dynamic equalizer. So the middle one that I just clicked, that takes you into the equalizer section, and it's got this adaptive EQ test. And so it allows you to test to see how this works and can you hear the frequency. So I'm letting it adjust the sound. And now you can hear the humming sound. It said I heard the sound. So what it does, it adjusts for you and uses the technology so you're getting the best out of these buds, which is so cool. And then you have these presets. So you could do treble boost, you can do bass boost, you can pick what you want. And then for my equalizer, you can also do adjustments there and use that option as well. If you want to customize it, you can save it. And then for other things that you can do, you can get a user manual, contact us, and some other information there as well. So that is the app, which is very cool that you have that there. And so the technology on this, I think, is really good and compared to some of the other earbuds. And I think in the multiple earbuds that I've been using now, I think these are my new go-to ones, and I'm really surprised how good they are for the money, and I definitely would recommend them. I think they've done a really good job. They sound good, battery life is great, and call quality is good. So I think they've definitely stepped up here. I mean, there are gonna be brands that are much higher priced that might give you better sound quality for music, but I think for the most part, these are gonna probably do very well for you. And if you get them, let me know. If you have them, I'd love to hear how they work for you. And to the company, great job. And I look forward to sharing more as I have the opportunity to maybe test them in a noisy environment and other new features that may come out. So maybe stay tuned for more. So anyway, there you go. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this video has helped you. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.